Hi, this is our welding rod E6013. It is made of low carbon steel and suitable for welding of low carbon steel structure, especially intermittent welding of thin plates, small parts, thin walled pipes. It could bear 40 kilograms tensile force and could make the surface very smooth and beautiful. For the length, we have 300 millimeter, 350 millimeter, 400 millimeter, and 450 millimeter, etc. For the diameter, we have 2.5, 3.2, 4, and 5 millimeter. And also we have other specifications for your choice. If you need this product, you can send us your quantity, diameter, length, so we can quote your accurate price. Okay, thanks for watching.